I'm very happy. I am very happy. The Igbos have done it again. We all have come together once more and said our last prayers for our Eze of Igbo land. And personally, I am very happy. I thank everybody that made the effort to come here, especially our guests from Haiti, from Gabon, from Tanzania, from Ivory Coast. I thank all of them for taking the time to come out and again give us their support as they did during the Biafran War.
Mike Ndukwe, Leader Council of Igbo Communities UK and Ireland. Today we are here to celebrate a requiem mass for our late leader, Chief Dim Ojukwu, Ikemba of Nnewi, Eze Igbo Gburugburu. The mass was a solemn one. We will miss him greatly. On behalf of my association, the Igbos in the United Kingdom, we wish him farewell. May he sleep well in the Lord.
Biko Afamambo King Eze Onu onye ndu ndị Good Shepherd Movement. If I be atata ụka ịkwanyela nna anyị Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Ogwu Ikpeazụ rulie. Ife nwanne anyị nwoke anụ afọlọ years back n'ọnya na-emeketa anụnwa. Ife anyị chọọ ka ọnwụ na ọnwụ ya anụnwa na ọ ya unite the Igbos ka anyị wee were ofu obi were eme ife.